Good morning! Little Mayra wakes up with a happy smile, ready for a wonderful day of helping her family. Making your bed every morning is a great way to start the day.
Clean teeth and a fresh face help us stay healthy and happy.
Now Mayra is dressed and ready for today's fun adventures. A healthy breakfast gives us energy to learn, play, and help. There you go, let's get ready.
Good morning, sunshine! What a beautiful day! Putting toys away keeps our room clean and safe.
Helping with little chores makes our home sparkle.
A clean table is ready for happy family meals.
Sweep, sweep, sweep!
Teamwork makes every job fun. Working together makes cleaning easy and enjoyable. You did it!
I did it!
Books love tidy shelves, just like toys love tidy boxes. Sorting clothes helps us get ready for washing. Grown-ups use the washing machine safely, while little helpers learn.
Fold, fold, fold! Neat clothes are easy to find. Plants grow strong with water, sunshine, and love. Always wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Cooking together is fun, and grown-ups always handle hot pots and sharp tools. Yummy cookies are even sweeter when made with love. A beautifully set table welcomes everyone. Welcome home, Daddy! Family time is the happiest time. Helping with groceries teaches responsibility. When families work together, every job becomes fun. Pets need love, food, water, and gentle care every day.
Everything has a special place in a tidy room.
A warm bath helps us feel clean and relaxed before bedtime. Stories fill our dreams with imagination and kindness.
Today was filled with kindness, teamwork, and love. Good night, little